how to, what do you call?
Quarter chicken.
Quarter the
About a
chicken?
quarter of chicken, yeah. That Phil's video.
Yeah?
Put it on your blog. Man.
Did you debone it, honey? Just quarter?
No, I'd like to.
Okay. I am putting this in my
I
blog.
just bought these last week, by the way. So.
First, wash your chicken
Wash chicky.
properly and dry it.
Most important.
It's a happy chicken.
Sure your handle and your fingers are dry.
Here you go, man.
Making sure that your fingers are dry. Oh, the chicken is flying. I'm flying. What's that? Ew. All right, let's do this. What are you doing right now, honey?
I'm cutting the backbone out. Neck and the back.
Neck in the back first. Oh, that's kind of hard.
Well, it's all a function of how sharp your knife is.
Well, obviously the knife isn't sharp.
Yeah, sharper than it was.
Yeah, you sharpen that a little bit.
Ladies and gentlemen, make sure your knife is sharp.
Take the wings off.
Take the wings off first. Oh, you're gonna throw them away?
Yeah.
No, Kuya, we can use that
Well,
for a soup. Please.
Huh?
For soup.
You want to keep them?
Yes.
Okay.
Put them in a Ziploc.
All right, I'll just put them in here and we'll clean them up. Wash them. Okay.
And then you spread legs, honey.
yeah.
Spread its legs.
And also the neck, Kuya, everything. It's just for the soup. I need some soup.
Right. No, that's fine. That's pretty good. Yeah, you definitely sharpened that one.
Yeah, it makes a difference when it's sharp, obviously.
Done?
Yep.
Wait,
You said for the chicken?
yeah. And after you quarter the chicken, this is what it would look like. Ooh, look at that. You did a great job, honey. Wow. Would you look at that? Thank you, honey.
You're welcome.